In a shocking development in the Sambhal violence case, police have revealed that there was a premeditated plan to assassinate lawyer Vishnu Shankar Jain during the riots that erupted on November 24th of 2024. In fact, the main conspirator, Ghulam, who has a lengthy criminal record with over 20 cases against him, made these revelations during a police interrogation after his arrest. Ghulam is linked to Sharik Sata, who is believed to be orchestrating the violence from abroad. In fact, the two communicated through an application called the Jungli, which is known for its lack of data storage, and had been established a WhatsApp group named as MP Sambhal to organize gatherings of supporters on November 22nd. Now, this group was instrumental in mobilizing individuals for the violence that followed in Sambhal. During the interrogation, we are learning that Ghulam disclosed that he was instructed by Sata to prevent the court-ordered mosque survey from taking place. He in fact also mentioned that images of Jain were circulated among the writers to identify him for the planned attack, which was aimed to incite further nationwide tensions. Now let's also speak about who is Vishnu Shankar Jain. He is a prominent advocate who has been associated with high-profile cases which are related to Hindu rights and religious sites like that of Ayodhya case and Gyan-Vapi mosque dispute as well. He has in fact represented the Hindu community in over 110 cases so far and is also a spokesperson for the Hindu Front for Justice. Coming back to the probe now, the police has recovered multiple firearms from Ghulam, including weapons of foreign origin as well.
जनपद संभल में 24 नवंबर 2024 को एक हिंसा कारित की गई थी भीड़ द्वारा, जिसमें अभी तक कुल 79 लोगों को गिरफ्तार करके जेल भेजा जा चुका है। उसमें 29 पुलिसकर्मी एवं एक प्रशासन के व्यक्ति घायल भी हुए थे। कई लोगों को गोली भी लगी थी, उसमें घायल हुए थे। उसमें पुलिस द्वारा इन्वेस्टिगेशन किया गया है। थोरो प्रोफेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद में आज संभल पुलिस को एक अच्छी सफलता हाथ लगी है, जिसमें उस दिन घटना कारित करने वाले जिसने व्यक्ति द्वारा असले प्रोवाइड किए गए थे, जिस व्यक्ति के द्वारा इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए गए थे, जिस व्यक्ति के द्वारा ये हिंसा करवाने के लिए असले भी प्रोवाइड किए गए थे, उस व्यक्ति को पुलिस द्वारा गिरफ्तार किया गया है, जिसका नाम गुलाम पुत्र मुख्तार है।
Now, investigations are going on in the matter, with Ghulam's phone also being sent for forensic analysis after he reportedly formatted his phone to erase all the evidence.